In this video, I will teach you how to make a toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwich. In order to make a toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you will need 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, jelly, a knife, a spoon, toaster, an outlet, and a plate. Firstly, plug your toaster into the outlet. Next, set the toaster to desired level of toastiness. Now, grab your 2 slices of bread. Put slices of bread into toaster. Next, pull down the lever to start toasting. Wait for your bread to pop up as toast. Then, grab your toast. Next, place the toast on your plate. Grab your peanut butter. After that, open peanut butter. Grab your knife. Stick knife in peanut butter, grab a bit of peanut butter, then use the knife to spread the peanut butter evenly on one of the slices of toast. Then, grab your jelly. Open your jelly jar. Grab your spoon. Stick spoon in jelly, grab a bit of jelly with the spoon, then use the back of your spoon to evenly spread jelly on one of the slices of toast. If some jelly falls off, that's okay, just pick it up with the spoon. Grab both slices of toast. Smush the slices of toast together. Now that you know how to make this delicious sandwich, you can eat it for every meal.